You are your own worst enemy. Hello, this is One Shot to the Future. Look in the mirror. What do you see? Do you see a masterpiece? Or do you see flaws? I'm too fat. I'm too old. I'm stupid. You talk to yourself in a way you would never talk to your worst enemy. And then you wonder why the world treats you like trash. Listen to me. The world is a giant mirror. It has no choice but to reflect exactly how you feel about yourself. If you treat yourself like a loser, the mirror reflects a reality where everyone treats you like a loser. You are teaching the world how to treat you. Don't hate the projector. Imagine you are watching a movie and you hate the main character. Can you enjoy the movie? No. Your life is the movie. You are the projector. If the projector is broken, self-hate. The image on the screen, reality, will always be distorted. You cannot hate the sender and expect to receive a love letter. If you vibrate at the frequency of unworthiness, the universe says, okay, you don't deserve good things. Request denied. Your self-hate is the #1 blocker of your success. Selfishness versus self-love. People confuse self-love with selfishness. They are opposites. Selfishness is empty. It tries to steal energy from others because it has none. Self-love is full. It generates so much energy that it overflows to others. You cannot pour from an empty cup. Loving yourself is not vanity. It is responsibility. Only when you are full can you help the world. Stop sacrificing yourself. A dead martyr helps no one. Treat yourself like a VIP. Start today. Buy yourself the good coffee. Wear your best clothes at home. Forgive your mistakes instantly. Walk with your head high. When you treat yourself like a VIP, the matrix gets confused. Wait, this person is important? Okay, let's open the VIP doors. Fake it until you feel it. Stop abusing yourself. If you don't love you, nobody else will. In the next video, we will discuss the concept of feeling, how to tune into others. Thank you. This was One Shot to the Future.